Every year, lakhs of students appear for the GATE examination, and yet only a small fraction makes it to the top ranks. Why? Is it because they are more intelligent? Do they study more? Do they have better resources? Not necessarily. The real difference lies in something deeper. Their habits, their mindset, their strategy, and their discipline. Today, I am going to share with you the exact tips toppers use to crack GATE, the same techniques that helped them score AIR under 100, and in some cases even under 10. These are not motivational ideas, these are battle tested methods that work. Stay with me till the end because tip number 9 is something almost no one talks about, and yet it changes everything. Let's begin. Let me start with a real story. A student named Rahul, a very average performer in college, not from an IIT, not the topper of his class, not extraordinary in academics. When he first opened the GATE syllabus, he felt exactly what you might be feeling right now. This is huge. I don't think I can do it. But Rahul had something most students ignore. He had a clear strategy. Not perfection, not high IQ, just a strategy. He followed a disciplined plan for 6 months, focused only on what truly mattered, and refined his preparation week after week. The result, AIR 87. A normal student, extraordinary outcome. Rahul's story teaches us something powerful. GATE is not about being the smartest, it's about being the most strategic. And today, you will learn those exact strategies. Understand the exam before you study for it. Toppers don't start by studying, they start by analyzing. They ask, what is the weightage of each subject? What topics repeat every single year? Which areas can be mastered fastest? Before opening a single book, they understand the game. And that's why they win. You should too. Study the last 10 to 15 years of GATE, identify patterns, recognize scoring zones. GATE is predictable if you know what to look for. So here is our topper tip, the 70-20-10 rule. All toppers unknowingly follow this formula. 70% is for the core subjects, the high weightage subjects like networks, control systems, signals, digital, maths, strength of material, thermodynamics, so depending on your branch. Then 20% is for medium subjects where questions come but not heavily. Then 10% is for low weightage subjects. You don't ignore them, but you don't obsess over them either. This rule prevents you from wasting months on low weightage chapters. So here is the next topper tip. Make short notes, not fancy notes. Most students waste time writing notes that look like art projects. Toppers don't. Their notes are short, crisp, formula focused, revision friendly, quick to scan before the exam. Your final notes should look like a weapon, not a diary. The next tip is the 3-phase study method. Every topper divides preparation into 3 clear phases. Phase 1 is to learn the concepts. Simple explanations, basic questions, YouTube lectures, class notes. Goal is clarity, not speed. Phase 2 is practice, practice, practice. You can practice PYQs, topic tests, subject tests, timed quizzes. Goal is accuracy plus problem solving intuition. Then phase 3 is full-length test series. Simulate the real exam, get used to pressure, improve speed. Goal is exam temperament, not just knowledge. The next topper tip is master PYQs. They are printed gold. Topper after topper says the same thing. PYQs contribute 60 to 20% of your success. Why? Because get questions don't repeat, patterns do. By solving PYQs, you learn question style, difficulty level, concept depth, what to skip, what to master. Make PYQs your first priority, not the last. Next topper tip is test series is not optional, it is essential. Ask any AIR under 100, they will say test series made me a topper. Test series helps you identify weak areas, manage time, build exam stamina, reduce silly mistakes, improve speed. And here's a bonus strategy toppers follow. They start test series yearly, even before finishing the syllabus. Why? Because practice without pressure doesn't prepare you for GATE. Next topper tip is revise like your life depends on it. Toppers revise every subject 3 to 5 times because learning without revision is like storing water in a leaking bucket. Their revision cycle is after 24 hours, then after 1 week, then after 1 month, then before full tests, and last 10 days. Only revision converts knowledge into marks. Next topper tip is fix your weakness before it breaks you. Average students avoid difficult topics, toppers attack them first. If your weak areas include control systems, mathematics, signals, thermodynamics, machines, algorithms, then your rank will depend on how fast you strengthen them. Weakness doesn't reduce rank, ignoring weakness does. Next topper tip is the mindset that separates toppers from everyone else. Now, here is the secret most people miss. Toppers do not study 12 to 14 hours per day. They study consistently, with clarity, with focus, with smart effort. Their mindset is every day I will improve 1%. Every mistake is a lesson. Discipline is greater than motivation. Hard work is useless without strategy. GATE is less about intelligence and more about emotional stability. How toppers manage the last 30 days. Last month strategy is only revision, only PYQs, only test series, only formula notes, light concepts, no new books, no new topics unless absolute necessary. This is the month where ranks are made. Stay calm, stay sharp, stay focused. So you can become the next topper. You don't need to be extraordinary. You don't need to come from an IIT. You don't need perfect intelligence. You need strategy, discipline, PYQs, revision, test series, and consistency. If Rahul could become a topper, why not you? Your GATE journey begins now, and your rank is waiting for you. If this video gave you clarity, share it with someone preparing for GATE. Like the video, comment, I will become a GATE topper. Subscribe to Growth Circuit Pro for weekly toppers, strategies, and exam success content. Share with your GATE group or Telegram communities. Remember, toppers are not born, toppers are trained. And today, that training begins with you.